Bought this for the caravan. It is first class. Small enough to store your great suction. Would highly recommend for house or caravan of Hetty. I need you to contact me about Hetty Hoover as the hose has split off the nozzle that attaches it to Hoover. Good powerful suction. Hetty 160 is slight smaller than Henry 200 series. Hetty 160 vacuum hose is about 12 inches shorter than Henry 200 series. I have included picture of the Hetty 160 next to Henry 200. Other than the physical dimensions, I must say that the motor is really efficient. Large dust bag is a plus. Once it is full, simply take the bag out and dispose. No mess. I really hate the backless vacuum as you always end up with dust in your face when emptying them, no matter how careful you are. I hope Numatic will not cheap out on critical parts in order to keep up with the inflations. Do not mind paying extra for good quality vacuum. Click link in description for more reviews. Thanks for your watching.
Wow.